Hey guys, I have already installed the SSD inside the PC. I've also cleaned it, which was an unnecessary step to take. So it's right behind the graphics card. So you switch on your computer, you press Windows X. Once you press Windows X, you basically go to disk management and you'll be rewarded with a screen like this. Give me a moment to make it bigger. Okay, here you can see basically all of your drives, okay? You would be able to see your Windows drive or other drives that you have available on this thing. There is like one 2 terabyte there and one 6 terabyte. This is our 4 terabyte NVMe right there. So it should show offline. You can always right click on it and press initialize. You can't see that right now because my computer did it automatically. So you have the option to have it in basic mode, MBR, or dynamic disk. I prefer to go with dynamic disk because it's gonna enhance the performance a little bit. So I'm gonna press that. It's been converted to dynamic disk. We press a new volume, right click on it, press new volume, and here click next. And that's how much you're gonna get, 3.8 something. And we're gonna call it, let's say, E, or any other names that you would like, and I'm gonna name it games, just like that. That's gonna be what this thing's gonna be called. I'm gonna press finish and it should automatically have the drive on. So here we have the drive functioning right here. You can see it in there as well. Okay, we got about 6.3 available to us, I believe. What happened to all of that space? That is my question. So I was hoping to get a little bit more than this, but actually that is how much you get out of a 4 terabyte. About 3.663 or 3,630 gigabytes of it is available to you. So it's a very quick installation of it. Let's benchmark this and see how it does. So these are very interesting numbers. Look at them. So it's actually a little bit slightly faster than what they promised on the box of it, or as they advertised it, So it can read up to 3.5 and write up to 3.2. That is crazy. I mean, it's not crazy if we have drives that go up to like 12,000 gigabytes or 12 terabyte or 11 terabyte, but I'm just saying that this is for the cost of it. It's good, and temperature is around 50 Celsius. This is right after I benchmarked it immediately because it took a while, so it was under stress around 52 degrees Celsius. And keeping in mind that the drive does not have a heat sink on it to cool it, so these numbers are actually pretty good despite the fact it doesn't have a heatsink to cool it off. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. This seems like a pretty good drive to have your games on it or do a lot of other things or even use it for your PC. That's pretty much it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and press the thanks button and donate to my channel.